Hello everyone, my name is Madeline Lukasic, and the cool tool which I will be showing you today is Tagxedo and some of its best features. Tagxedo takes words which you type, a document you upload, or a website which you link, and creates a word cloud which highlights words according to increasing frequency. This tool works best if you have speeches or articles to upload because of how many words are included. So to create a word cloud, I'm going to click Create from the home page, and it should take you to this page. If it does not, it's because you don't have Silverlight. Tagxedo only works with Silverlight, and it should guide you to the proper place to download Silverlight. But a word of advice, Google Chrome does not support Silverlight, so you won't be able to use Tagxedo on Google Chrome. Tagxedo also only works on desktop or laptop computers, so no handheld devices for word clouds. After downloading Silverlight, you may need to refresh the page and then you'll see this screen. From here we can create whatever word cloud we wish. Just an example of how it might be used is in a high school English course. I might be teaching my students about famous speeches which have had a great impact on American society. One such speech would be Martin Luther King Jr.'s I Have a Dream speech. So to create a word cloud out of the I Have a Dream speech, we're going to take the speech's transcript and then either copy and paste the URL or select a portion of the text to make our word cloud. I'm just going to take this selection of the text and copy and paste it. Once I'm back on Tagxedo, I'll click Load, and in the text box I will paste my selection. I will then click Submit, and a word cloud will be spun. Once that's done, I can customize my word cloud however I want. For this word cloud, I'll put it in the shape of love, and I'll change my theme, and we can change the font. But basically you can customize your word cloud to fit whatever shape, size, color, font you want that fits your classroom. Once you're finished, you can save or share. They have several different options for you to save your word cloud. One last thing I wanted to draw your attention to from the home page is the gallery of word clouds created by the creator of Tagxedo. He has quite a gallery. They're here so you might draw inspiration or just fun things to look at. They range from, Eleanor Roosevelt and Martin Luther King to birds to actors and actresses. There's one on Harry Potter. Got Brad Pitt over there. Lots of fun word clouds. So, to wrap things up, I just hope you can see just how useful Tagxedo might be in your classrooms. It's a fun, innovative way to have words and pictures combined to create a fun education. I hope this has been informative. Thanks for watching.